Sunny side up. Sunny side up is one of the simplest egg preparations in the world, but getting it right is harder than it looks. The egg is fried in butter or oil without flipping, leaving the yolk completely runny and the white just set. The name comes from the bright yellow yolk sitting on top like a sun. In the United States, diner culture made sunny side up eggs a breakfast staple served alongside bacon and toast. Scrambled. Scrambled eggs seem simple, but divide cooks more than almost any other dish. Gordon Ramsay's version uses low heat and constant stirring for several minutes, pulling the pan on and off the heat to create soft, creamy curds. American diners cook them fast on high heat, producing a firmer, fluffier result. The French version is almost custard-like. In the United Kingdom, scrambled eggs on toast is one of the most eaten breakfasts. The difference between bad and great scrambled eggs is almost entirely about heat control. Poached. Poaching is considered the most difficult basic egg technique. The egg is cracked directly into simmering water with a splash of vinegar, which helps the white stay together around the yolk. Professional chefs judge a cook's skill by their poached eggs. The key is using the freshest eggs possible, because older eggs have thinner whites that spread out in the water. Poached eggs became widely known outside professional kitchens, largely because of Eggs Benedict, which put them on brunch menus worldwide. Eggs Benedict. Eggs Benedict was created in New York City in the 1890s, though two different people claim to have invented it. The most common story credits a Wall Street broker named Lemuel Benedict, who ordered buttered toast, bacon, poached eggs, and hollandaise sauce at the Waldorf Hotel after a night of heavy drinking. The dish became a brunch classic across the United States, Britain, and Australia. Hollandaise, the rich butter and egg yolk sauce poured over the top, is one of the 5 classic French mother sauces. Hard-boiled. The hard-boiled egg is one of the oldest and most portable foods in human history. Romans ate them at the start of meals, which gave rise to the Latin phrase ab ovo, meaning from the egg, used to describe something starting from the very beginning. Boiling an egg too long creates a gray-green ring around the yolk caused by a chemical reaction between sulfur and iron. The perfect hard-boiled egg is cooked for exactly 10 to 12 minutes and transferred immediately to cold water to stop the cooking. Deviled eggs. Deviled eggs have been eaten since ancient Rome, where boiled eggs were seasoned with spicy sauces and served as appetizers. The word deviled entered cooking vocabulary in the 18th century to describe any dish prepared with hot or spicy seasonings. The classic American version fills the halved white with a mixture of yolk, mayonnaise, mustard, and paprika. Deviled eggs became a staple of American holiday gatherings, potlucks, and barbecues. In the American South, showing up to a party without deviled eggs is considered a social failure. Omelette. The omelette has been eaten across Europe for centuries, but France turned it into an art form. A proper French omelette is pale yellow with no browning, folded into a smooth cylinder in under 2 minutes. Auguste Escoffier, the chef who codified French cuisine in the early 1900s, considered the omelette the ultimate test of a cook's technique. The Spanish tortilla is a thick potato omelette cooked slowly. The Italian frittata is finished in the oven. Every culture that eats eggs has developed its own version. Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a dish of eggs poached directly in a spiced tomato and pepper sauce. It originated in North Africa and spread across the Middle East, where it became a staple breakfast in Tunisia, Libya, Israel, and beyond. The name comes from an Arabic word meaning mixture or shaking. It arrived in Western restaurants and home kitchens in the 2010s and became one of the most searched brunch recipes in the United States and Britain. The entire dish is made in one pan, which helped make it popular with home cooks.